think I want one of those big push brooms. You know, the big pushy push broom. It's like the big push broom, you know. I'm gonna make one of those. Alright kids, we're making a broom. Hey, can you find me a pipe that's like this but longer? No, I can't fix your broom. I don't know. Where's your broom? I'm making a way better broom. Can you find a pipe that's bigger than this one?
Why do you have so many pipes?
Okay, find a pipe that this one fits inside. Wait, take it with you. Find one that fits inside, preferably kind of snug. Alright, let's see. How wide do we want our thing? Oh wait, this one can stay whole. I'm gonna have to cut the next size. Yeah. I know what I'm doing here. What?
How's all the pipes? All the pipes.
Is he dead? Oh, okay, good. He's just faking it. That's good. Alright, hold on right here, dude. Just hold on. Alright. Did you find a pipe that fits inside?
Will you dress this guy? What's this thing go for?
Alright, now we need some bottles.
What's this?
And we need some good scissors.
What's this for?
That's for drilling holes. And I need a few bolts.
Wire.
Oh, it broke and I wrapped some wire around it to hold it together.
I would like to cut.
Hold on. Let me just get the bottom and the top off. Not sure what we'll do with those, but figure it out. Doll plates?
Yeah, it looks like a doll cake pan, actually.
Well, don't put your fingers.
You gonna make a dollhouse? Make doll.
Not exactly.
And then now it's bottles.
Okay. Now what we have to do
Can I cut?
is cut a whole bunch of slits like this.
I would cut a whole bunch of slits. It's gonna be broom
All the way. Yeah, these are the broom bristles.
Why aren't they very tall?
Well, the middle is going to be in the broom, and there'll be bristles here and there. You'll see in a minute.
Isn't it a petrol retail?
How you doing on yours? So should that be ready in about 3 weeks? Okay, cool. Keep going.
Brooms don't have those kind of bristles. Well, steel brooms don't, but then they're special machines putting up. But, well, they're not even doing this. They're fat hair was being made.
Okay, let's just test this.
Are you tested on dogs?
Well, it's like it's gonna work out all right. No, I'm just testing that it's doing what I think it's gonna do. Sweet.
You're gonna hiss and slither around like Baby Cobra. Oh, hey, Baby Cobra. Baby Cobra. Baby Cobra. Hissy little baby. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Baby Cobra. Yeah, Baby Cobra.
next one. This
But this part isn't super hot. This part isn't super hot.
Oh, good.
But this part isn't.
Get in there! How's it look, Aurora?
What?
How's it look? Here, flip it over. Oh, looks pretty good. I need to find a handle. Works pretty good, eh? I used it. And look, see? Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. It's because I went like this.